In modern days, robots have become far more crucial in assembly lines in factories. Robotic arms are a common type of today's industrial needs: painting, welding, collecting, and moving objects. The challenge. In this challenge, you will control and synchronize 3 robotic arms in order to assemble different parts from the CoderZ world. How does it work? In this game, you can craft 4 different parts or objects, and every part or object has a different recipe. Every recipe consists of different ingredients which arrive on the conveyor belt in random order. Use the robotic arms to pick up the ingredients and place them inside the crafting bin. Ingredients that move all the way to the end of the belt are tossed into the trash bin. Once you have all the right ingredients, you can craft the desired part by using the craft block. Every object crafted earns you points, as well as energy to power the factory. However, if you throw parts into the bin, you will lose points. The recycle arm allows you to bring back ingredients that you want to use later. The crafting bin is cleared after every object. It also has a limit of 7 ingredients. If you put an 8th ingredient in, the bin will automatically be cleared and you will lose a lot of points. Your task is to fabricate as many parts as possible to earn points, while creating enough batteries to keep the factory running. Once your energy is fully depleted, the game will end. How do I get started? There are no robots driving around in this task, so you can focus on creating the smartest code for the robotic arms. Use the color sensors embedded in the conveyor belt to identify which ingredients are coming up. On the top part of the interface, you will find the recipes for each part. In the missions, you will see an indication of how many units of each part you need to create. But in the challenge, it's up to you to decide which parts to make. Good luck!